Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wagwan. Today I want Patois day. Yes, so if you are new to my channel, by the way, my name is Neisha, and of course guys, if there's any video that you have not yet watched, go watch it now. Please go and go watch it and like up the thing, comment, yeah, share it. Share it with everybody because the thing not normal, you know? No, it's not normal. Anyway, with no further ado, let me go to you to school you about Patois, Jamaica Creole. See, I come on and get in the things that when you're searching, I really not mention much about Creole, but the terminology, the word a Creole, alright? And we say, so for Creole, Patois, English, our. So they get confused, you know, Creole and Patois are the same. Alright, so stay with me. And we know it's a quick video, less than 5 minutes. Yeah, we get you. Don't think I have work tomorrow. Yeah, we have work tomorrow. So basically, the two words I'm going to be sharing today is good and later. So that's the two for today. Alright, in Jamaica we are very manageable. Most. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, Jamaica, we need for, you can't pass somebody back in the days when I go to school and I say morning. You understand? So that word morning. So good morning, morning, or good morning. So the good there, good morning. Alright. And the next word is later. Or you can say bye. Later, little more, right? So them two there, is how quick you get it? Good morning, or morning, later. Remember I told you about expression? Yeah, so you're gonna do them things there for me, alright? And if you have anything to comment about, please go ahead and leave a comment down below. Like, share it with everybody. Yeah, share it up. Guess what? The video done. You want to see more? Come back Friday for your hair tutorial. See me Sunday, you know? I don't know, maybe I have a speech or something about something, I don't know. But Tuesday, I have Patois day. So I will be posting videos 3 days for the week. Sundays, Tuesdays, and Fridays. Alright? Alright, so for now it is bye until then, as I said, Friday. And if you really want to see more fun videos, you need to check out my listing, my playlist. Yes, and also guys, go into my description box and read. Yes, you leave a comment, please to leave a comment down below. Like, hit up the like, watch the video, but do not hit like until you watch a video. Yeah, we want to be a step ahead of YouTube. Yeah, all right. And if there's anything you want me to do, yes, you can go ahead and suggest it. Until then guys, be safe.